Well, we have the most perfect day for you. A warm hello in every sense of the word. The sun is out and football has a special place on this most idyllic of days. A fixture ahead of us to which we've all been looking forward for so very, very long, and it means so very, very much. The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch looks terrific. The players are ready to get started, and we cannot wait for a contest of life. Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue. Quite a sight to behold. As you can see, we've already started here. Goes for goal! And that's caused a worry or two. Up he gets! And that has been going for goal!
Well, even for him, that may have been a touch ambitious.
Pull forward. Nice little chip. Cristiano Ronaldo! Perez. Ball's come loose and the chase is on.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Romario, he's left his man. Cristiano Ronaldo, it's good defending, very good defending. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. It's a fabulous position, it's anyone's ball. Forward it goes. Well intercepted, really alerts the danger. And a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Dinks one in. Hoists it forward. Vieira goes long. Nedved is flagged offside. Check, gets it upfield. Vieira. Gets the better, shot at goal! Through ball is intercepted. Ball's loose, who's getting there? He's got away. Roberto Carlos plays it forward. Needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. Torres with a long pass. Over to the left. Back into the middle. It's being played forward. He's had a look. He's blown his whistle for half-time. Both sides have drawn blanks. Toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game by any means. How do you review the first half?
Well, I think despite the scoreline, it's been watchable and enjoyable. We certainly had a vibrant start. We weren't going to see a goal, and it should have come then. But the odds are favourable for the second half.
Intriguing half, lacking only in goals. The score 0-0. We're already back underway here.
Bayern Munich clearly have been the better side for me. Yeah, I know the score doesn't quite reflect it, but if they go about their game in the same manner as the opening 45 minutes, things really should improve.
Got a shot away! Big moment! Massive goal! No space, no problem. You just cannot stop him.
I think that defence there thought they were in good position and they had it where they wanted, yet somehow he's worked the scoring position when it didn't see him on. It's really crafty business now.
Bayern Munich break the deadlock.
It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang.
In with the challenge. No, that's not the ball he wanted. It's the through ball. He's gone for it! Oh, taken with style! A two-goal lead, and they're firmly in control. And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
Bayern Munich have a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition looked completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
And help's available out wide. He gets past his man. Oh, shooting chance! And more! And they are pulling clear here.
Looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
Good challenge, he just stood firm. De Ligt. Roberto Carlos. Roberto Carlos, full tilt down the left. Yeah. And it's Scholes. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, that is asking for trouble. Van Dijk. Gerrard needs to get it forward quickly. Try from distance. Oh, brilliant! That is brilliant! Oh, it really is a finish of the highest order. Results no longer in doubt. It's just about how many. No second invitation needed. Hit it true and unerring. A screamer.
Well, maybe they were asking for it there because if you allow him that time and space, he's capable of scoring from anywhere. And that's tremendous.
He's made it 3. Quite a day at the office for him.
That defence must be sick of the sight of him. He's been persistent and ruthless all game. Just hasn't stopped working.
Bayern Munich tear their opponents apart once again. They are utterly ruthless. It has got through to him. Has a pop! And yes, it's there! This is as ruthless as it gets. And time is up. Bayern Munich, very much the dominant side, almost the only side. Every time they put on the ball, they look like scoring. It is a landslide. Your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?
Bayern Munich were very impressive here, Peter. The backbone of this team is so strong, and it proved to be the decisive area.
Reached the end of our coverage for today. Many thanks to Jim Beglin alongside me. We hope to see you